Hershey's Crackle Equations. How many crackle bars are hidden by the blue mask? Each of these two pictures contains the same number of crackle bars. An equal number of crackle bars are hidden by each whole blue box. Now solve this visually concrete equation by selecting X to represent the blue box and by selecting no label for the crackle bar. Each side of the equation contains the same number of counting units. That's crackle bars. Each X masks or hides an equal number of counting units. The left-hand picture of this equation can be represented by the symbols 3 and 1x. The right-hand picture of this equation can be represented by the symbols 1 2/3 x and 2. What is a possible first step to solve this symbolic representation of an equality of counting units with some counting units hidden by masking boxes? Remove one x from each picture. Each x represents the same unknown number of crackle bars. Simplify each side of the equation by combining similar terms. Remove 2 counting units from each picture. Subtract 2 crackle bars from each picture. Simplify each side of the equation by combining similar terms. To create whole blue candy boxes in the right-hand picture, duplicate the 2/3 of a blue candy box and the crackle bar in each picture twice by multiplying each current picture by 3. Multiplication by 3 will add each current group to itself twice. Simplify. Find the product on each side of the equation. To create one whole blue candy box in the right-hand picture, first separate each picture into 2 identical groups. And second, create a fraction with a denominator of 2 to remove the one duplicate group from each side of the equation. Third, use cancellation notation to show that the one duplicate group of 1 1/2 crackle bars has been removed from both pictures of the equation. Each blue box contains, hides, or masks 1 1/2 crackle bars. The crackle bar value for 1x can be substituted into the original equation to determine if it is a valid solution. Use parentheses to replace x. Rewrite the original equation while leaving an open set of parentheses in place of the masking unit x as shown. Replace x in this parenthesized original equation with the value 1 1/2. That's 1 1/2 crackle bars. To multiply the two mixed numbers, first convert each mixed number found in a product into a fraction. Second, multiply the fractions. Third, change the fraction back to a mixed number. Simplify, then combine similar terms on each side of the equation. Find the total number of crackle bars in each picture. Each original picture actually contains 4 1/2 crackle bars. That's counting units. Count the crackle bars in each picture to see. Now check the answer in these original pictures to prove that the two pictures each contain the same number of crackle bars. Each original picture actually contains 4 1/2 crackle bars. Count the crackle bars in each picture to see.